In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images to a Webador website. Begin by logging into your Webador account and opening the My Sites section. Click on Edit for the website where you want to add images. Once inside the editor, navigate to the page and exact location where you want the image to appear. If you want to add an image inside a separate section, click on the plus icon at the desired location and choose to add an empty section. From the left-hand side of the screen, drag and drop the image element into that section. If you only want to add an image without any additional elements, you can simply drag the image element directly onto the page without creating a new section. After placing the image element, click on Choose Image to open the image selection options. You will see several options, including your previously uploaded images, icons, stock images, and the option to upload from your device. You can search for stock images directly within Webador and select one that fits your design. Once selected, click on Save to add the image to your page. You can then adjust its alignment and position within the section. By clicking on Edit Image, you can apply filters, resize, crop, draw on the image, add text, or add frames. If you want the image to act as a clickable link, you can use the hyperlink option to redirect users to another page on your website, an external website, a file such as a PDF, or a contact destination. You can also add images to existing sections by dragging the image element into the desired position. In the same way, you can upload images from your device and adjust the layout to keep everything visually balanced. And this is how you can add images to a Webador website.